In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put wallpaper from Pinterest. We'll start by opening your web browser and heading to pinterest.com. Pinterest is a great place to find high-quality images in every style, from minimal gradients to scenic landscapes. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can view and download images without interruptions. Once you're on the homepage, locate the search bar at the top. Type wallpaper desktop and press enter. You can refine that with terms like 4K, ultrawide, dark, or nature to better match your screen and taste. As you scroll, look for images that fit your monitor's aspect ratio. Most laptops and standard monitors are 16:9 or 16:10, so the picture won't look stretched or cropped. Horizontal images work best for desktops, while vertical ones are meant for phones. Stick with widescreen shots for a cleaner fit. Click any wallpaper pin that catches your eye to open it. In the pin view, take a moment to check the image quality. If the pin links to a source site, follow that link for the highest resolution version. Bigger images look sharper on larger screens. Avoid screenshots of collages or low-resolution uploads whenever possible. If you can, zoom into the preview to check for blurriness or compression artifacts before you download. Now it's time to save the image to your computer. In the pin, use the three-dot menu and choose Download Image. If you don't see that option, right-click the picture and select Save Image As. Choose a familiar folder, like Downloads or Pictures, give the file a simple name and confirm the save. Remember where you put it so you can set it as your background in the next step. Whenever you can, download the original file type, typically JPEG or PNG, to keep details crisp. With the file downloaded, set it as your wallpaper. On Windows, you can right-click the image file and choose Set as Desktop Background. If you want more control, right-click the desktop, select Personalize, Open Background, click Browse, pick your image, and then choose a fit option like Fill, Fit, or Center. On a Mac, open System Settings, go to Wallpaper, add the image from your folder, and select it. Or right-click the image in Finder and choose Set Desktop Picture. If you use multiple monitors, set the image for each display to keep things consistent. If the subject sits off-center, fit or center can preserve the composition without chopping important parts. And that's it. You found a wallpaper on Pinterest, saved it to your computer, and set it as your background. For the best results, choose images that match your screen resolution and always respect the creator's usage terms. Enjoy your refreshed desktop.